So today we're taking a look at the Tune 770 NC Bluetooth wireless headphones from JBL. Now, I did purchase these myself, and I have previously looked at the 520BT and the 720BT headphones from JBL too. They're more budget oriented, but still had some great features. This is definitely at the higher end of mid-range, maybe even slipping into premium territory, at least in terms of price. So we'll go ahead and take a look at them together for the first time today, see what we think. So some of those premium features that we can expect here. First of all, yes, 70 hours of battery life is in and of itself really impressive, and that's what we're getting here. However, we are also getting fast charging. So for most Bluetooth headphones, even at this price point, you are looking at about 5 hours of charging time. However, with these JBLs, that's actually reduced to just 2 hours. So yeah, it makes a big difference. Now, they are available in a number of different colours and designs. As you can see, I've gone for the black ones, but first impressions, they look really smart. But before we get closer with the headphones, let's just point out you do get a little manual here, along with a short charging cable as well. And I won't open this because I don't need it, but it's just an audio cable. Really nice that you can use this so you don't have to use the Bluetooth if you have a device that doesn't support it, or if you just don't care about going wireless, then this is going to come in handy. But let's have a look at the headphones themselves. I've got to say they are really similar in the design to the 720BT model from JBL, but I'm going to pop them on and we'll see how comfortable they are. You can see we have the cushioned cups here and at the top here, and there is adjustability as you would expect, both in the headband and in the ear cups themselves. So let's make sure we've got these on the right way. And that's a tight fit on my head in the shortest setting, but they are fitting quite nicely and they are comfortable, at least in these first few seconds. So I'm going to have to wear them a little bit longer in order to give an overall thoughts of the comfort there. So just to show you the onboard controls here, starting on this side, we have the media controls. There is also voice assistant technology here, depending on whether you're using Apple, Android, etc., but that is inbuilt so you can use it. We have the audio jack here, okay, so that's going to be used with that cable if you do want to go wired. We have the active noise cancellation button here, along with the inbuilt microphone and the power button as well. So just to clarify, because I said design-wise they are very similar to the 720BT, the main differences here being, A, these have that active noise cancellation for when you are listening to music that the 720BT is lacking, and also these have talk-through technology as well. What is talk-through technology? Some headphones are starting to get that nowadays. Effectively, that will allow you to continue to have conversations in real life whilst actually being able to hear the person that you are speaking to. So yeah, again, that button there with the active noise cancellation, just keep clicking that and you'll cycle through to the talk through mode. So really awesome to see that included as well. For now, let's pop these back on and we'll get them connected to my phone. Oh, didn't even need to do anything. It pops straight up on my phone for me. So I'll select connect there and just wait for that to go through the process. It's done. I got the audio notification as well, all connected. Very easy, very quick. Bluetooth 5.3 here, so I didn't expect anything less than that. And so now I'm just bringing some music up on my phone here, and I'll give them a little bit of a test, see what my thoughts are onto the audio quality. Right, so I've done a number of tests in terms of audio, and the drivers here do pack a punch, so that's really impressive. But one thing I tested, because I know this is important to many of you, is voice clarity as well. So if you are perhaps listening to podcasts or watching movies, I can report you're not going to have any issues there understanding what's being said. Clarity is very powerful. And I did actually have these enabled with the noise cancelling, but I've just gone ahead and popped it into ambient aware mode. My goodness, I can hear my own voice so much more clearly. It's absolutely unbelievable. It's definitely being enhanced by the headphones through the microphone, but in a very subtle way, just so you can actually hear that extra clarity. So yeah, that ambient aware or the pass-through or headphone through, whatever it's called, that technology definitely has a good impact when you're going to be having those conversations with other people. But also, I couldn't really test out the ANC too much because my ambient noise is fairly quiet here. But it is nice to have that feature. I've used it in other headphones. It is really powerful. And you do also have ANC, which is noise cancelling for when you are making hands-free calls, so that other people will actually be able to hear you clearly too. So overall, a great bunch of features here included with these these headphones. Superb battery life at up to 70 hours, and they are comfortable as well, having been wearing these for about 20-25 minutes, no issues there either. So overall, I think if you are willing to spend just a little bit more than what you might do if you was going to get a budget pair of headphones, the extra features here, especially that active noise cancellation and the pass-through mode, are definitely going to make that worthwhile for you. Really nice to have those here. And the comfort and the sound quality is really good as well, as you would expect from a JBL pair of headphones too. So folks, yeah, overall my impressions of these, first initial impressions, are definitely on the positive side, and they may be worth checking out for your next set of Bluetooth headphones.